shami kebab, shish kebab, reshmi kebab, galati kebab and dahi kebab. You get it right? यहाँ तो kebab ही kebab है.
But which one wins the award?
Let's take a look at the nominees. So the jury is out on this. The winning combination is always something that provides a healthy and a delicious cake. And the winner is
Dahi kebab. अभी इतनी तारीफ कर ही ली है तो अभी बना भी दे.
Indeed, indeed. When am I complaining? So let's get started. The first ingredient we're going to use is hung curd, just like the name suggests, and it will add a little bit of sourness to this dish. The dreamery, thick and creamy dahi is exactly what we need to get that melt in mouth taste of this dahi kebab.
So we have already prepped for the hung curd, so you don't have to wait too long for this.
Are you not going to talk about the benefits of the dahi?
I like how you're suddenly so interested in the benefits of it.
Anything you say interests me.
Oh, lovely. So the Dreamery dahi is really rich in calcium. It has great amount of protein as it's made with cow's milk. So it really works best for your gut health. And the foodie in me trumps it all. The texture, the goodness and the delicious dahi just works right for me.
I thought we were really different, but how are we so similar? Let's move on, and now we're going to add the protein to this dish, that is the paneer. Now I know our in-house nutritionist is definitely going to approve of this.
Of course, paneer is protein and protein is power.
Most definitely. Now let's move on to the supporting cast of this kebab. We're going to add a little bit of carrot along with some other ingredients. We also have some onions, some ginger, green chili, coriander and garlic.
Wow, I love how you're adding a dash of a variety of colors to this plate.
And to top it all up, we're going to add the hero behind every kebab or every Indian dish, that is the masalas. Here we're going to add some cumin powder and some chaat masala.
Isn't life so boring without the masala mix?
It definitely is.
So are we almost ready?
Not quite yet. We still have to add the binding ingredient here, which are the oats.
Wow, I like the fact that you're adding so much fiber add-ons to this apart from the carrots, coriander that you have already put in this mix. This is a fabulous recipe of protein, fiber, calcium, protein. You name it all and you can find it all in this.
Most definitely, anything to impress you.
Ah, perfect.
We're going to quickly mix this all up, but make sure you do not want to over knead this because it'll start oozing out a little bit of water. निकिता, ये तो मिक्स होके रेडी हो गया.
This is an amazing and colorful mix.
And
दिल जीत लिया यार तूने. I'm telling you, I'm a big fan of yours now.
thank you. I know, I cook to impress. So let's just quickly move on to making the patty so you can finally eat them.
Yes, please. I can't wait too long.
Now we're going to get down and dirty with this. We need some oat flour and we're going to quickly roll these into some patties and then pan fry them on this pan.
Oh my god, this dahi kebab mix is actually taking me back to the nursery Play-Doh days.
It is definitely as therapeutic also. तो ये भी हो गया, तो let's just coat it in our oat flour very nicely and we'll make the kebabs ready and we'll keep them all in this plate till they are ready to pan fry. Chalo, the kebabs are ready. I'll quickly wipe my hands. You please turn on the flame and put the oil, no? About 2 to 3 teaspoons.
Alright.
Now that we've added our oil, we'll just let this get heated up, and then we'll add our kebabs to the pan and let it cook on a low to medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes or till it's cooked on both sides.
I can't wait for this to happen.
Okay, so our dahi kebabs are finally done.
It should be illegal for it to smell so good, but with all the balanced ingredients that we have used, there's nothing illegal about this.
There's no criminals here for sure.
Absolutely.
So let's quickly plate this up and eat the dahi kebabs hot and fresh with some mint chutney.
Eating kebabs without chutney feels like a part of my life is missing.
It definitely feels like that for me as well. And let's just look at this texture. So creamy.
Wow, this is turned out so soft and creamy.
Oh my god, this is melting in my mouth. You also eat, no?
Good job.
Thank you, thank you.
Can we do another batch of this?
Of course we can, just for you, and I made these specially for you, so of course I'll do it again. So meanwhile, we go and make the other batch. You go like, share and subscribe.